I miss conferences. I've been to plenty of online ones since the first lockdown, and there are a lot of benefits to being able to attend virtually, but I do miss actually going to them. But one thing I don't miss is the menu roulette. This starts long before the conference, when I first sign up. Sometimes there isn't an option for dietary requirements, which at least tells me I definitely need to bring food. But usually, the sign-up form will ask. The thing is, even when you tell them what you need, they don't always bother catering for you. This has happened to me multiple times, and even when they do cater for me, they don't always get it right, which can result in a very uncomfortable week following the conference. This all results in being more stuff to deal with on top of everything else. I usually choose to bring my own food. It might be boring, but at least I won't go hungry, although if the conference is abroad, that doubles my luggage requirements. The alternative is to risk having to go and find a nearby shop, which again may or may not cater for me. Either way, when lunchtime comes, I have to find somewhere to eat my brought or bought food, ideally where I don't have to put up with a million questions about why I'm not eating the same as everyone else. All that cuts into the time allocated for lunch, which is invariably classed as networking and is supposed to be important for our careers, and sometimes includes poster sessions too. Honestly, I find networking hard enough at the best of times. And even the coffee breaks are sad. I like fruit, but biscuits go better with a day listening to cutting-edge science. I've told myself over and over again that it shouldn't matter. I don't go to conferences to eat biscuits. But even leaving out the hassle and the lost networking and poster time, it is profoundly unwelcoming. It makes me feel left out, and like I'm being a nuisance, making extra work for the conference organisers. The thing is, dietary restrictions are really common, and people need to eat. So my question is for academic institutions and all those who organise conferences and courses. If you're not able to cater sensibly for common dietary needs, how can we have the confidence that you will be able to handle our other accessibility and accommodation requirements? Thank you for listening.